What is going on, guys? Algorithmic Jason here, and today we're gonna walk through another video that we have. We created a front-end project today using React, CSS, React, CSS, HTML, JSX, and this is our front-end application. I made using, I made with the help of DevEd on YouTube. I'll be sure to leave his video down in the link below so you can walk through it as well. And let's walk through what we have. Today we have a API recipe application. So basically what we can do is search this API called edamame. We're going to make fetches to it. edamamedeveloper.com, so you can check that out. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description down below. And let's see what we have. So we have a search bar, and let's say we have a banana in our hand, okay? And we want to do something a little creative today. We want to search some recipes on what we can use this banana for. Therefore, you will search, you will send in a fetch to this API called edamame. It will come back with the first 10 objects that it gets with banana in it. So as you can tell, they're displayed as the title on top, the image in the middle, the prep time, which doesn't seem like it's always right, but hey, it's an API that we're using, so it's good practice. And the first few, or actually all of the ingredients that you will need in order to create this recipe. You can create this cool banana energy bite. Okay. You can tell the first 10 items are here. This one actually has 14, which is pretty long. Let's say we have some fish tonight and we want to get creative. We want to create some new things. So this here is going to take 80 minutes for you to make. So I hope you're patient enough to create that. If not, you can create this one instantly. You only need 12 ingredients. And that's basically it with our front-end application that we made here. Very fun, very good use and good practice with the APIs, good practice with custom CSS. You can get very creative with the colors and the setup, which was nice. It is great practice for React. Definitely recommend checking the video out. I also will leave my GitHub code in the description down below. I have a few comments that might be able to help you out with the flow of what's going on if you're kind of new to this stuff. And I will be sure to change these keys after this video. Yeah, if you have any questions, don't be scared. Reach out to me. You can reach me on my email at algorithmicjason@gmail.com. You can leave a comment down below. You can also find me on GitHub by searching Jason Herrera. That is it for today on my front-end application that I made alongside DevEd. And until next time, thank you for watching. Algorithmic Jason is out. I'm going to go make a banana sandwich or something like that. Peace.